Alright, so we're in the kitchen, and this is a cool transformation sound effect that you can use in your videos. Alright, so I got this piece of paper and a ton of salt, okay? So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to take salt and put it on the paper. Yeah. Got all this
salt.
Right. Now what we're going to do is we're going to pour one side. Oh, that's the three sides, fine. Alright, so, and now, watch this transformation sound. 3, 2, 1. You can use that in any movie or video that you're making. So, yeah. I guess. Yeah. That was cool. I want to do that again. Okay, I didn't get as much salt. So I'm just going to move it all here. And let's do some more. We got all the salt. So let's go. 3, 2, 1. That sounded super cool. That sounded like one of those, like, I don't know. Oh, no, that's the end of the video. Goodbye. Oh, shoot. Wait. Let me do something. There we go. Thanks for watching. That H is really bad. Yeah.